Come with me and you will see a world of imagination. What? Do it again. Do it again. What's going on, huh? Oh, come here. Come on, let me. Hey! Yeah, you bit me. Yes, you did. What's a dog say? No, that's not what a dog says. What's a dog say? What? I see your big old belly. Who's the pretty bird? Oh, pretty bird. No, that's not how you call. What is not how you call a pretty bird? No. How you call a pretty bird? No. What's a dog say? The dog doesn't say wait. What's a dog say? No, what a dog says. What's a cat say? It doesn't say wait. It does not say wait. So you can say it. You're sneaking around. You're sneaking around. You're sneaking. You're trying to sneak around. What are you doing? Huh? You think you're in a timeout? You got your back to me? Are you in a timeout? Little monkey. Little Romie bird. There's that little angel. There she goes. She's off and running. She's off to the races. They're off to the races here. Mommy. Oh, there you are. You are such a cutie pie. Look how pretty you are. Oh. Doing up there? You not Spider-Man. You know Batman. I'm Batman. Oh, bless you. Gonna fly? Way. When? Sweet. Can you bark like a duck? What's a dog say? What's a duck say? You're right there. I know. Mama will get you. I'll get you, get you, get you. I'm gonna get you. Oh man. Can you quack like a duck? Huh? Right here. That one? You can do it. You can do it. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Yeah, baby. Right there. Woohoo! Good job. You gonna play dead? One man. Oh yeah. Good. Oh, it's you. I don't step up for the baby birds. The baby birds step up for the mama bird. No, Batman. I'm Batman. Grandma did it. What's a cat say? A cat does not say wait. It's silly. Who's the pretty bird? Tickle, 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 tickle. I'm gonna tickle you.